Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ganbei channel, and today we will gonna looking at the SB brand Beyblade. This is Josie A Achilles. It has a rare color, gold color, and they say it has this kind of launcher, LR launcher. In the side, this is the combo. At the back, it has Josie Achilles layer and a double zero weight disc, and dimension, it has dimension driver. This is the gimmick of dimension driver. Okay, other side, the bottom. This is SB brand, SB or S3 brand. Let's unbox it. Let's open the box. First, it comes with this kind of launcher. LR LR launcher. It's not included in this box, so it it's just default launcher. With, I think it has a handle. Good to see it has this kind of handle. Okay, and the last one, it has this Beyblade. No, no left inside. Okay, this is knockoff Beyblade. This is bootleg Beyblade. So it comes with the original color, not the gold one. Okay, I bought this from the market. I can't buy Takaratomi Beyblade as of now because of the lockdown. I can buy online. So this is the weight, but it comes with perfect combo. Well, the correct combo, I mean. So first, this is the layer, the Josie Achilles. This is metal, not plastic. At the back, there's the teeth. I hope you can see. This the gimmick in the layer, it works, but it's so tight. I can't move it. So tight. This is the metal weight or metal frame. The driver dimension. I love the color. It's color transparent red, clear red. This is the gimmick. You have to twist it and it goes upward. Focus. And then you twist it in the middle, and just like that. Okay, then the last is this is the attack, I think, attack mode. This is the semi attack mode, and then this is the stamina, I think so. So let's test the spring inside. Well, it's kinda slightly soft, so let's build it. Okay, here's the Beyblade from SB. Let me know what you think with this Beyblade. Comment down below, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. And let's compare it to Pushin Ashura. This is from Takara Tomy and this is the SB brand. Okay. This side. The bottom. Okay. So that's for the quick unboxing of the Chozi Achilles from SB brand. I hope you like my review, a little review. Please like and subscribe to my channel. So stay tuned to my channel and more updates soon. I will post new videos. Okay, so take care, guys. See you soon.